We'll guide you through how to create a basic animation in Blender using the most current methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once you're in, you'll see the default cube in the center. This is where we'll start. Go to the top menu and click on the Layout tab to begin setting up your workspace for animation. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the timeline. This is where you can control the frames of your animation. To start animating, let's add some keyframes. Select the cube, then hit I'm on your keyboard. This will bring up a menu where you can insert keyframes. Choose location, rotation, or scale depending on what you want to animate. Let's say we want to animate the location. Move the timeline slider to frame 20. Then, move the cube to a new position on the screen. Press I'm again, and select location to set another keyframe. Now, if you scrub through the timeline, you should see your cube moving between the two positions you set. If you want to make the animation smoother, select the graph editor from the top left corner. Here, you can fine-tune the movement curves of your animation. You can click and drag on the curves to adjust the speed and flow of the animation. Once you're happy with the animation, you can preview it by pressing the play button in the timeline controls. To render your animation, go to the Render tab at the top and choose Render Animation. This will create a video of your animation that you can save and share. Remember to save your project frequently using File and Save As in case you want to make changes later. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.